In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and SurveyMonkey. By the end, you'll have the SurveyMonkey app installed inside HubSpot, so you can bring survey insights right into your CRM. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to both platforms and that your HubSpot user has permission to install apps. If you're using an ad blocker or strict pop-up settings, consider allowing pop-ups for this process so the authorization screens appear correctly. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and click the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account. If you have access to multiple accounts or portals, choose the one where you want this integration installed. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct environment, especially if your organization uses separate portals for testing and production. After you're in, look to the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small store or grid. Click that icon to open HubSpot's app options. From the menu that appears, select the HubSpot Marketplace. This is the app marketplace where you can find and add integrations to extend your CRM. Inside the marketplace, go to the search bar and type SurveyMonkey. Be sure to spell it as one word. You should see the official SurveyMonkey listing appear in the results. Click the SurveyMonkey app to open its detail page. Take a moment to review the description, features, and permissions so you know exactly what data the integration can access and how it will help, such as syncing survey responses to contacts or enriching profiles with feedback. On the app page, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through an authorization flow. If this is your first time connecting SurveyMonkey, you'll be prompted to log in to your SurveyMonkey account. Enter your credentials and continue. You may also be asked to grant permissions so the two platforms can share data securely. Read the prompts, confirm you're connecting the right SurveyMonkey workspace if you have more than one, and approve the connection. Once the installation completes, HubSpot will show that the SurveyMonkey app is connected. From here, you're set to start using SurveyMonkey alongside your HubSpot tools. Keep an eye out for any prompts within the app that help you fine-tune how information appears in your CRM. If anything doesn't look right, double-check that you're signed into the intended accounts and that your user has the necessary permissions. That's it. Your HubSpot and SurveyMonkey connection is now in place.